So the hyperextension bench can also be used for lower back exercises. So as you come onto the bench, you're going to pop your stomach on the bench, pop your legs between the support bars, shuffle yourself into a comfortable position, and then you're just going to use the machine, small controlled movements, so we're working those lower back muscles. And you're also going to be working your obliques as well. So this is our hyperextension sit-up bench designed to work your abdominal muscles. So you're going to sit onto the black plate, swing your legs over, and then position them between the two support bars. You're going to then take your upper body backwards, gently pop your hands in the air and use them abs to pull up your upper body. Don't strain your neck. Nice and slow and controlled as you come down and as you come back up. So this is our Wick Steed hyperextension bench, which can also be used for a variety of exercises. You can use it for tricep dips, placing your hands forward facing on the lower support bar, back nice and straight, keeping your knees at 90 degrees. You're just going to lower your body weight down to the floor, pushing up through your triceps, and back down and up. If you wanted to make it that bit more challenging, you can straighten the leg, lower your body weight as close as you can get to the floor, and back up. You can also use this for press-ups. So if you come around to the other side, you can do an incline press-up, placing your hands on the bar, moving your feet backwards into a position where you're comfortable, keeping your back and spine nice and neutral, nice and straight, engaging those abs, and we're going to push towards the bench and back up. If you wanted to take your hands that little bit wider to get more of a wide set press up position, just bring them further round to the side of the bar.